So let us go to another question. One of the eigenvalues of the matrix e raised to a is e raised to a. That is given, right? Alright. Now, where a is equal to a 0 0 0 0 a 0 a 0. The product of the other two eigenvalues is, see, first of all we can find the eigenvalue of this. What is the eigenvalue of this? Sum, right? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. Sum of eigenvalue should be trace, that is a plus 0 plus 0. Product of eigenvalue lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 is equal to a into, so through this row and column we can expand, then a into 0 minus a square, that is minus a cube. This is possible only, one is a, other one is a, other one is minus a. Then sum should be equal to a, product is equal to minus a cube. Then one eigenvalue is e raised to a given, that is given in the question. One of the eigenvalue of the e raised to a is e raised to a, right? Now then what should be expected other eigenvalues? E raised to a into, for this a corresponding e raised to a, then this minus a corresponding e raised to minus a. Then this eigenvalue is given e raised to a. The product of other two eigenvalue what? E raised to a into e raised to minus a, that is e raised to a minus a, that is e raised to 0, that is equal to 1. Alright. So very simple question, right?